This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis, Tuesday, February 6, 2024, daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. On the left, the NASDAQ, you can see here the bodies of the candles, including today, Tuesday, prior day, Monday, really in a zone. We've got premium candle wicks above and discount wicks below, the 9 EMA in the blue, but it's just sitting here consolidated. Middle chart ES, not quite the same. We had a descending candle prior day, not by much, but still hovering definitely above higher altitude than NASDAQ is over the 9 EMA. That's coming in at 4933.69. And then the dollar 3-day run, higher lows, higher highs, just by a bit here, but there's no sign of it breaking down yet. We'll have to see how the RTHAM treats it, but that's it on the daily charts. Again, no big news events here known, so I don't see a catalyst either way. So it may be intraday liquidity and inefficiency levels that I'll be working with. So let's go to the ES smaller time frame next chart. ES 15-minute benchmark. So level here with the blue line on the prior day afternoon high, 4977.75, and note the new week open gap high 4976, new week open gap low 4972, prior day RTH open 4973. So we've got a lot of busy noise here where we've got the levels. So again, mid to high 70s, and then this 4-hour fair value gap, I'm looking at that still as valid, even though we've gone above and below it, just because it's a level. We've got London for Tuesday opening at 4969.50, New York midnight 4966.75, and then just same levels as below. This is what I pointed out yesterday, a big level. This is a daily volume imbalance. We dug into it yesterday on the consequent encroachment with the candle wick, but not the candle body, and we never repriced the bottom, which comes in at 49.28. And I told you my target was that this would get repriced all the way sometime, I thought, this week. That is my speculation. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but that it already did it in Monday, but not on Tuesday yet. Note the Tuesday level, we tagged the prior afternoon low here. What was that? 4955.50. That was, again, the afternoon low for the ES after 1:30, and we tagged that. We took sell side liquidity here with this discount candle wick. So there you have it. It's pretty cut and dried. I don't see price really misbehaving. Again, remember the dollar is up and it's still going up, and that's going to be watched on a smaller time frame today. So I'm going to watch that carefully, and then I'm going to see how we do on these levels. Especially going to see if we have the locomotion here to get back to the prior day RTH open up here at 49.73 and change. So there you have it. I'm playing with lighter size because I'm not thinking that this is a great setup yet, but I am cognizant of these levels. So thank you again. Appreciate, shout out to the OG subscribers, and welcome all 2024 subscribers. Appreciate your liking and subscribing to the channel really helps support it. Aloha.